Today we're diving into a world of website building with 10web. 10web is a robust platform designed to empower users to create stunning websites effortlessly. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or a freelancer, 10web provides the tools you need to establish a strong online presence. In this review, we'll explore 5 key aspects of 10web: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's take a look at 10web's main features. AI-powered website creation. With 10web's AI technology, you can build professional websites in minutes, no coding required. Advanced hosting. Enjoy lightning-fast hosting services optimized for WordPress sites, ensuring superior performance. Drag-and-drop editor. Customize your website with ease using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Built-in SEO tools. Enhance your website's visibility with powerful SEO features, including keyword optimization and meta tags. Responsive design. Create websites that look great on any device with 10web's responsive design capabilities. 24/7 support. Access round-the-clock support from a team of experts to help you with any questions or issues.
10web offers flexible pricing plans to suit every budget. Plans start at $10 per month for basic features and scale up to $50 per month for advanced functionality. When compared to competitors like Wix and Squarespace, 10web's pricing is competitive and provides excellent value for your money. Users praise 10web for its intuitive interface and user-friendly design. Whether you're a novice or experienced user, navigating the platform is a breeze. Plus, with competitive tutorials and documentation, getting started with 10web is seamless. 10web offers several advantages, including a user-friendly interface that simplifies website creation, excellent customer support praised for its knowledge and responsiveness, and feature-rich plugins that enhance website functionality. Additionally, its pricing plans, particularly the personal plan at $14 per month, provide affordable access to hosting and CDN services. However, some users find the pricing structure less competitive compared to other platforms, and while the support is generally very helpful, there are occasional complaints about limited customization options and responsiveness.
While 10web offers an impressive suite of features, alternatives like WordPress.com and Wix provide similar functionalities. However, 10web stands out for its AI-powered website creation and advanced hosting capabilities.
In conclusion, 10web is a game changer in the world of website building. With its innovative features, competitive pricing, and user-friendly interface, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a stunning website. So, why wait? Sign up for 10web today and unlock the full potential of your online presence. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more tech reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.